An old African legend tells the tale of a lion who had never tasted fear in his life. His name was Kion. He was known not only for his physical strength, but also for his unwavering courage. All the animals in the savannah respected him. His presence gave them a sense of security. Kion's roar was not just a display of power, but an anthem of courage and determination. However, one day, Kion's life changed. An old wise lion told him, "True courage is not found where there is no fear, but where fear is overcome." Kion couldn't understand these words. He didn't even know what fear was. So he embarked on a long journey to discover what true courage really meant. During his journey, Kion was caught in a great storm. The wind was so strong it uprooted trees, and lightning illuminated the sky. For the first time, Kion felt a tremor in his heart. It was something he had never felt before: fear. His heart pounded, and he couldn't even let out a roar, let alone open his mouth. He took shelter in a cave and waited for the storm to pass. His self-belief was shaken. "Where is my courage?" he asked himself. After the storm subsided, Kion ventured even deeper. On the side of a distant mountain, he found a young zebra that was about to die of thirst. The zebra was so weak it couldn't even stand up. In that moment, forgetting the fear the storm had created, Kion instinctively felt he had to help the zebra. He dragged his weary body and carried the zebra to a nearby water source. The zebra, revived by the water, looked at Kion with gratitude. At that moment, Kion realized something. The fear he had felt during the storm was still there, hidden in a corner of his heart. But his desire to help the zebra was much stronger than that fear. This was the true courage the wise lion had spoken of. It was about acknowledging the presence of fear and still doing the right thing. From that day on, Kion was known not only for his physical strength, but also for his inner strength. He was no longer a fearless lion. He was a lion who knew how to overcome fear, and his story spread throughout the savannah in whispers. True courage lies not in the hearts of those without fear, but in the hearts of those who choose to move forward despite it. And it is this courage that transforms the strength of a lion into a life story that awakens the lion within.